Welcome, my name's Tech. This is my $5,000 YouTube studio tour. So this is something I've been working on for a long time now. This whole studio took me about 5 to 6 months, and it really shouldn't have, but I had to get all the money for it. I had to prepare, I had to change my YouTube channel, banner and name and stuff. First I had to learn all of Adobe and stuff to finally get to this point. Especially with the PC, it costs a lot of money. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is my unboxing station. This is where I'm going to be hosting all my unboxing and reviews videos. Stay tuned, please. This is probably my favorite part of the whole studio, just because of what it is. Before this, we used a lifetime table. You can buy them at Walmart for about 50 bucks or so. It's honestly probably the best choice you could go for an unboxing station. You can put some paper over it. This is about 4 feet tall and about 5 feet wide. So really, it's perfect for what I'm using it for. So this right here is my phone stand. And yes, I know, it's a phone stand, but I have an S22 Ultra, so I kind of have to use it. But this right here can clip onto my lifetime table, and it stands very tall. Like, I don't see why it needs to be that tall, but I mean, I guess if I need it to be that tall, it can be. So this right here is my unboxing knife. It's a full carbon fiber finish. Bought it on Amazon. And I mean, it's really good for an unboxing knife. It's not as good as Jerry Riggs' knife or anything, but I like it, so it's good. Right here we have our studio lights. These studio lights are used for unboxing and also for like what I'm recording right now. It sits on a stand, you can adjust it. It's pretty cheap, but these lights are honestly all I need for doing whatever I need to do. So now to the living part of my room. This is just an old mattress I had from back in the day. I bought some bed sheets and pillowcase from Walmart to make it look black and gray. Got some silicone RGB across from Amazon, along with the bed frame as well. Some boxes for my PC parts and phone box as well, make it look nicer. Put a Lamborghini on a little nightstand and the Xbox Series X fridge. Got this lampshade and lamp stand at Walmart as well. Here's a little nightstand I bought at Amazon as well to make it look a little bit more minimalistic. So yeah, it's pretty nice in my opinion. So let's get on to the setup part of the studio. Right here we have a black 55-inch desk from Amazon. We have a GT Player black gaming chair, which I also got from Amazon. We have the Razer Black Widow keyboard with green switches in it. Right here we have an RGB mouse pad, which I don't know why I got RGB mouse pad. I'll never use the RGB in it. But right here we have a boom arm attached to a blackout blue Yeti. We have the glorious Model D mouse, which is really light and really sexy. We have the Logitech Z333 speakers, which are really, really nice speakers. We have some ambient lighting in the background, a tripod, which I'm recording on right now. We have the MSI Optics 1440p 165Hz monitor, which is absolutely insane. But anyways, right now, it's time to get on to what you guys have been waiting for, the PC. So here she is, the PC. Now this PC cost me about $3,000 on its own. You can see in here we have Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM in there. And this is an ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard. Now this motherboard goes for about $200. And let me tell you, it's the nicest motherboard I've ever had, or will have. Right here we have the Ryzen 9 5900X processor. Now, it didn't come with a stock fan, but why would it? I mean, it's freaking, it needs an AIO in it. So, because of that, we went on and got an AIO. It's a Master Cooler Master Liquid AIO. And it has the reflective light inside of it, as you can see right here. And as I showed you before, we have the Mustex case. But anyway, so right here, I didn't have any clips of this, don't know why I didn't, but this is the RTX 3070 Ti. Now this right now goes for about $800. And realistically, I could have waited a little bit for GPU prices to go down, and I could have got the 3080, but I didn't. But some other specs in here that I didn't show, I have the Samsung 980 Pro SSD, which is probably the fastest SSD right now. I'm pretty sure it is. And right down here, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the EVGA 750 watt gold standard power supply. Now 750 watts is kind of pushing it, but if you guys really want to know anything about power supplies and what they do, you need to stay tuned for the next video. Anyways, this has been my room studio. This is my YouTube studio tour, my $5,000 YouTube studio tour. And it's very fun to show y'all what I have. Anyways, with all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.